Greetings, YouTube. Good morning and welcome to Gainesville, Georgia. I've got a quick little video I'd like to do here with my messed up hair, my hat kicked back, first thing in the morning. I wanted to show you the results I got from my solar steel. But first, I'd like you to subscribe, like, share, comment, give me thumbs up, thumbs down. Talk to me, you lucky devils, you. Now, here's what's going on. We're going to go on over here. I'm going to step in the dark. It's early. It's early this morning. But nevertheless, I'd like to show you what I have going on here. If you remember yesterday, I built this here solar steel expecting to find a little water. So let me flip this around. What is this we have here? We do have water building up. You see that water dripping down on the inside there? When I touch it, that's all drinkable distilled water. Our solar steel worked, didn't it? It did. So like I said yesterday, that's clean fresh water. It's distilled water. Lewis Reisman could use that water in his Crest ultrasonic cleaner if he wanted to. Lewis, you son of a gun, you better start watching my videos. I'm gonna have to come up to New York and say something if you don't. Nevertheless, I did say that if you're going to be in the woods for a day, I would build 4 or 5 of them. If you're going to be in the woods for a week, I'd build as many as I could build every day. You're going to need a lot of water to survive out in this harsh world. I showed you it does work. On the second thought, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this here for a couple of days. We'll come back in a couple of days and see just how, there'll probably be a puddle down in the bottom of that hole that I built. Probably. But that's about my 3 minutes of fame here today. Paul, drone bum, up in Long Island, New York. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you lost another drone in the water. You know better. But my heart goes out to you. Philly Mike! What are you doing, son? It's good to see you. It's good to hear from you. You look like you were having a little problem this morning yourself. I'm sorry. I wish I was there to console you and give you a great big hug. Drone Worship Dan. He's always writing me, taking care of his underling. I appreciate everything you've ever done for me. Thank you for showing me the way. We're going to go ahead and we're going to walk on up here. It's a beautiful day. I suggest you get out, do something outside. Like I said, it's a beautiful day outside. Here in the South, we really don't have winters. We do every now and then, but like today, it's going up probably to 70 degrees. I've got a slight little jacket on today, as you can see. I'm in jacket and jeans and shoes. It hadn't got quite to the weather where I can run around barefooted. All you tenderfoots don't know nothing about running barefooted on a gravel road. Yes, I can run barefooted on a gravel road. I have some tough feet. Nevertheless, as you can hear, the birds are out singing. I got my new microphone on. I hope my audio is very good for you. I'm gonna go in here and eat me a peanut butter and turnip green sandwich. Makes my mouth water just thinking about it. This is Silvertop Flyer signing off.